Okay, I'm Tyler Balson, graduated in May 2011 with a chemistry and math degree. I'm currently studying for my PhD at the University of Lincoln, Nebraska for physical chemistry.
Physical chemistry. Awesome. Okay, so do you want to tell Marian University and the first year students what knowledge, skills, and abilities did you learn in your classroom to help you be successful for what you're doing currently?
With respect to knowledge, I've learned critical thinking skills along the lines of being able to analyze problems and not being afraid of being wrong. So small class settings allow you to ask questions more liberally. In larger class, you may be not scared, but more hesitant to ask a question to hold up. But it's very open, and in my classes now, we're transitioned to the same size, really. I think the biggest class I'm in now is 18 students, so it's just the same sets, same setting. So, not being afraid of asking the right questions or being wrong, and being able to think openly on your own. Also, the reading. I learned interclass to read the books that you buy very closely, and that has transitioned very well because, again, you pay for books in graduate school, and reading them is obviously very helpful. The skills, again, the critical thinking can be a skill too. So the ability to think on your own and as a group. So again, small class settings allow both of that. You can think as a group, as a whole class, essentially, or on your own very easily. Again, that translates perfectly to what I'm doing.
Okay, thinking, Tyler, Marian University is a liberal arts university. What does liberal arts mean to you?
Okay, liberal arts means to me learning outside class material. So you say, like, especially for science or math and natural science, you're learning very specific core subjects, and liberal arts really gives you a more broad background of what's actually going on in the quote-unquote real world. And so I got a great view of outside the science world, and I got educated in culture, etc.
Is there one class that you remember from the liberal arts that you would say changed how you think or changed who you are as a person?
I would say the literature courses I had to take forced me to think much differently. I wouldn't say it changed me as a person necessarily, but it definitely changed the way I approach some problems, because analyzing poetry per se is much different than analyzing a math problem. And the skills I've learned to be able to bridge those skills together is very critical, and it helped me do that.
Very cool. If you had any advice you'd want to give a first-year student, what advice would you give them to be successful in the School of Math and Natural Sciences?
Read the book, ask questions, and truly commit to what you're doing. And don't put off the liberal arts classes as just a core course. Really commit to the idea of liberal arts, and it will definitely help you be a better major in the long run.
Awesome. Well, thank you. We at Marian are so happy you're here with us, and we wish you the best as you continue to work on your PhD in physical chemistry.